Hello world, this is Mayank and welcome to the second tutorial of Python. In previous tutorial, we have learned some basic concepts of Python and simple programs of swapping. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about some control statements, that is if statements, else if statements and nested if statements. So let's just get started. And for syntax and some theory purpose, you can check the link given in the description below, and there you can find all basic syntaxes and other concepts. And I want to tell you that if you need any other support, you can ask in comments. And for this tutorial and next upcoming tutorials, I'm gonna use PyCharm for programming. And if you haven't installed it yet, you can check my another video in which I have completely described how to download and install PyCharm, and I am also gonna put the link in the description below. So first start with a simple if statement. Let's just create a new file and name it if statement, and so let take a variable a equals to 200, and now simple if statement, if, and now condition a equals to 200, then print a string hello world. You can print whatever you want. I'm gonna print this, and now run it. You can simply run it from here, and you can click on this and and run this. Then it is given the output hello world. And there is one more way to run this program. You can simply right click on it and click on the run if statement program. Here also same output is given, so you can use whatever you want. And now it is simple program in which here you can see it is if statement, here it is condition, and it is the syntax, the simple syntax of a statement. It is this. Now I'm gonna create a program in which you will learn how to use else if statement, and for that I'm gonna create a program of even or odd to check the number that it is number that given number is even or odd. So create a new file, name it as else if statement. Okay, and now let's take a number or a variable a, and value is 133. Now first if statement, if a mod by 2 equal to 0, then print a comma double quotes is even. Here a is the variable and comma is for concatenation. This comma is used for concatenate with this string, so it is if statement. Now else statement, else print a comma is odd. So let's make some space. It will make our code much clear. So we are going to run this and right click on it. So 133 is odd. Let's change the number and make it 134. Let's see the output. Now 134 is given. So it is clear that how to use if else statement. Now move to the nested if statement. So just simply right click on it, new file, and give it name nested if statement. Okay, and it is of type Python. Okay, now let's take a number a, or change the variable name. Let's take a variable and its value, give it 200. Okay, Now first take if statement. If condition A is less than 300. Oh sorry, I haven't used A, I have used where. It is giving an error. Now it is correct. Simply print string variable where is less than 300. Now we are going to use nested if inside a mm, if a equals to let's suppose not a sorry variable equals to 330 sorry 30, then equals to what I am doing, then print where is equal to 30. Now else if, that is here it is ELIF, simply gonna give a condition where equal to 45, then print a string where is equal to 45. Now else print a string where is equal to 300, oh sorry 200, because at the top where is given 200. So now the final else print where is greater than 300, and at the end print complete. So now run this and it is given where is less than 300. Yeah, it is true because variable is 200. Variable is equal to 200 because there no 30 variable value is 200 given above. So it is equal, and at last it is printing complete. So let's change the value of variable, make it 30. Now see what will be our output. Here variable is less than 300, variable is equal to 30, and it is complete. Now what will happen if it is greater than 300? Let's see. So variable is greater than 300 and just simple complete. So you have learned in this tutorial if statement, else if statement, and nested if statement, and uh, do more practice for these. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Have a nice day. Happy coding. Thank you.